So it's still, the Meet the Posture is still me, but I changed the profile just a week ago to a woman because the reason why I switched is because my demographic, like, this is very odd and maybe controversial, but like, I even did a poll with some of my African American followers and asked who would they rather buy from, and the answers, even from Black women and minority women, were they want to sort of buy from a fashionista white girl. So the basic white girl is the fashion trend they want to actually buy on Poshmark. That's why they're on Poshmark, is looking for that particular style of fashion.